Bonjour. So this is a correction of one of our do now from this week. You had to translate the following sentences. So the key concepts of this do now was to use the verb aller à, so to go to a place, and we worked on the contractions with a with an accent. So we saw that a, la doesn't change when it's followed by a feminine noun. A, L apostrophe if it's followed by a vowel or a silent H. Ale is not used in French. We contract it into O, E, U. And you pronounce it as it's one letter and it's a letter O. So O plus a masculine noun. O with the X if it's plural. But you don't pronounce the X, it's silent. So O, it's pronounced the same, but it's written differently. You had also to use expressions using a, so à pied, à vélo. And you had to use expressions using en voiture, en taxi, en bus, en train, en bateau, etc. Okay, so there are only two expressions really using a is à pied, à vélo. That's all what you need to remember. And we also see in these pronouns I, and the pronoun I, it's a pronoun that replaces a place. Je dois y aller, j'y vais. It means I'm going somewhere, but you just replace the place by a pronoun. So let's correct the sentences. I'm going to school on foot and you are going to your middle school by bus. Donc je vais à l'école à pied et tu vas à ton collège en bus. Their friends are often going to the airport by taxi, but they can also go by train. Leurs amis vont souvent à l'aéroport en taxi, mais ils peuvent aussi y aller en train. And here you can see the pronoun I replace à l'aéroport. So because you don't want to repeat à l'aéroport again, you want to avoid the repetition, you use a pronoun. And the pronoun that works when you want to replace a location or a place is I, and you write it with a Y. Our parents are always going to the theater by car. Nos parents vont toujours au théâtre en voiture. Okay, so the key concept you have to really remember from this do now is the little expressions à pied, à vélo, à l'aéroport because you use aller, à, and en taxi, en train, au théâtre, so you can see the contraction here. And that's about it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. Bonne journée. Au revoir.